Hello and welcome to Craxoid. Today in this video we will do the unboxing and unbiased review of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. So without wasting time, let's get started. So we have a brand new Redmi Note 9 Pro and we can see some of the main highlighting specs leveled out of the box like 720G SoC, 5020 mAh battery and other thing that we will talk about later in this video. The color variant of this unit is Interstellar Black, but there are other two color variants as well, and they are Aurora Blue and Glacier White. It is of 6GB and 128GB variant, the higher one, and on the top you can see the SAR value. For head it is 0.898 watts per kilogram and for body it's 0.483 watts per kilogram, which is in the limit. Now let's open the box. Now let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, there is a SIM ejecting tool and some Xiaomi manuals and a black colored soft case. We'll keep it aside and have a look at the phone. So this is our Redmi Note 9 Pro. You can see the back side. It has glass back with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. You can see the quad camera setup on the back as well. Also, there is a huge camera bump and it's really big this time. For now, let's keep this phone aside and see what other things are available inside the box. So there is a charger and this is 18 watt fast charger, but it should have been more than just 18 watt. Also, there is Type-C data cable to charge the phone, so that's all inside the box. So now let's go to our phone. So first of all, let's talk about its display and design. As we know that Redmi Note series phones typically have impressive specifications, and this time Xiaomi has gone with a larger screen and battery than ever before. It comes with 6.67-inch full HD plus screen with 2:9 aspect ratio, so that bezels are minimum on the top and bottom. It has IPS display with only 60Hz panel, but it would have been better if Xiaomi has provided 90Hz refresh rate display. It also has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both front and back side, and back panel is made up of glass, so it gives premium feel while holding the device. It also has circular punch hole at the middle, which Xiaomi calls dot display. Okay, now let's have a physical overview. At bottom, as you can see, we have a 3.5mm jack, a Type-C port, microphone and a single speaker grill. And on the left, it has SIM tray with dedicated micro SD card slot. And on the right, we have power button with fingerprint sensor integrated in it and volume up and down buttons. And at last on the top we have IR blaster and secondary noise cancellation microphone. Now let's have a look at its operating system and its user interface. It has MIUI 11 with Android 10 out of the box, and latest MIUI 12 will be available very soon on this device, but there are lots of pre-installed app and bloatware available. It has Widevine L1 support, and that means you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime and other videos in HD. Also, it comes with Gcam support and Camera 2 API is pre-enabled. And now let's talk about its performance. This phone comes with modern Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with 2 high-performance 2.3 GHz cores and 6 power-efficient 1.8 GHz cores, and all manufactured on an 8nm technology, which is said to result in greater power efficiency and lower heat dissipation. And it comes with UFS 2.1 storage type and have LPDDR4X RAM type that makes the performance even better. Now let's see on which graphics and frame rate we can play PUBG in it. As you can see, we can play PUBG in smooth and ultra. Extreme frame rate is not available and you can play up to SD graphics only. HDR support is also not available. About battery, it comes with huge 5020 mAh battery, and this is the first time Redmi phone has that much high capacity battery inbuilt in it, which is quite impressive. But there is only 18 watts fast charger given in the box, which may take more than 2 hours to charge it completely. Now about its camera, there is a quad rear facing camera with square design. The primary shooter has a 48 megapixel resolution with 1.79 aperture and uses Samsung GM2 sensor. This is kind of downgrade because its previous version Redmi Note 8 Pro has 64 megapixel camera on it, and next to it there is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which is pretty standard for this price level. The 2MP depth sensor in lower row is also basic and commonplace. There is also a 5 megapixel macro lens camera available, which takes really nice picture of close objects. On the front there is 16 MP selfie camera with f2.2 aperture, and the feature like portrait and beauty mode is available, and also you can record video at 1080p, and EIS is also available. And now let's talk about other additional features. It comes with P2I coating, which makes the phone splash proof, and it has almost all the sensor available in it. Face unlock is available, and fingerprint sensor is side mounted, and which works perfectly and is really fast and reliable. So my opinion for this device is I like this phone, especially its build quality and design. It has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both sides. I like what Xiaomi has done in terms of hardware. The hardware you get in this price range is really great. The Snapdragon 720G is really a capable processor, and 5020 mAh battery life is also amazing. Although the phone is stylish, there is a huge camera bump at back on which the whole phone rests, so you may not like it because the back side is completely resting on it. And another thing I don't like is the MIUI ads. You will get lots of ads in this device because of MIUI OS. Although there are some settings to disable the ads, you will have to face the ad issues on this device anyhow, which anyone would like to get rid of. So it would have been better if they had stopped promoting Chinese apps and unnecessary MIUI ads. Also, there is a cleaner app at system app which you cannot even uninstall. Is really a big privacy issue. So for privacy concern, I won't recommend this phone for you. So this app should be removed by Xiaomi soon. Overall, the phone is great value for money. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure you like the video, comment down below, share, subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.